What's going on, everybody, and welcome back to the Edge of Freedom. Today I'm going to talk to you guys about how to start a social media marketing agency for beginners in 2021. Let's go. So I'm going to break everything down into 4 steps, and the first step is to choose a problem that needs to be solved in the social media market right now. That's very important. Now, I suggest that you do a lot of market research to figure out what type of service you want to offer to solve these problems. So I just spoke about social media management. It's something that you can do. Me personally, what I do is I focus on helping e-commerce brands scale through creating online ads through Facebook and Instagram, and there are plenty of things that you can do to help business owners out to help them grow also. So that's going to take some time on your part to do a lot of market research to figure out, one, what you like to do and what's more profitable to do for you as well. So that's actually the second step, to figure out your service, to figure out exactly what you're going to offer as a service to your potential clients. Now, the third step is very, very simple. As you know, when you start an agency, you don't need to have an office, you don't need all types of materials, a desk and all that stuff. At the beginning, all you need is to find a very basic business name and to have an email address and email domain so that you can come into contact with potential customers. That is the only thing that you require right now. I suggest to use 𝙏𝙝𝙚 with Google. You have everything that you need there, from creating your own email, your first business email, to simply integrating your business name and having all your information and sorts, so that when you do speak to clients, you still look some type of professional, even though you're starting, but that's the only thing that you need to spend money on at the beginning. And the last step, step number 4, is the most important one, is to find your first client. So when I started, of course I spoke about it on my previous video where I spoke about what the word agency meant. I give you a bit of story with what happened with my first clients, but the first place that I looked was my own personal network. So my first client was my cousin who had a business, and my second one was actually one of my closest friends who also had a small business. So start with that. So your network, you can go through your Instagram, your Facebook, just by posting that you're currently doing social media management, doing lead generations for businesses so they can get more leads online. And I'm pretty sure that 1, 2, or 3 people from your network either will want to know more for their business or know somebody who actually needs your service. So trust your network at the beginning, do that. And another thing that you can do is, depending on the service that you're offering, you can use Google. Google is the best search tool out there, and of course it can help you come into contact with potential clients if you're doing local lead generations, or of some businesses that their social media isn't up to par, or that might need your service regardless of the service that you're currently offering. Alright, so let's recap. Step 1 was very, very important. Figure out a problem that you want to solve in the market. Okay? Step 2, now that you've chosen the problem that you want to solve, after doing a bit of research, find a service that you want to attach to that problem to help businesses solve. So I always give the example of social media management and content creation, because I started with that, of course. Third thing, very basic, find a name, get a 𝙏𝙝𝙚 account so you can have an email address to come into contact with these potential clients. And the last thing is to actually do the outreach. Go through your network, ask your friends, family, like I said, create posts on Facebook, Instagram, and then you'll attract some people who might be interested in your services, or who might know of other people who might need your services as well. So these 4 steps will help you start a social media marketing agency in 2021, and that's very simple. It's for beginners. So that's how I started, and I was able to get 3 clients within my first, I would say, 2 months, and all those 3 clients were from my network. So I'm very blessed to have started with that, and I'm happy that I'm able to share that with you all today. So I hope this video was of value today. Sorry, I stepped on my words. If you like this content, like the video, subscribe to my channel, and of course hit the notification button so you can get other videos like this when they come out. So on that note, have a good one. I will see you in the next video. Peace.